I'm going to dictate something using the free functionality in Microsoft Word. I do this by coming up here and pressing the Dictate button, which opens this menu. I am dictating using Microsoft Word. Full stop. It is much faster than typing and it spells everything correctly. Full stop. However, no dictation package is perfect. So any work created this way must be proofread. Full stop. To stop dictation, I press this button again. To check which microphone is being used when you're dictating, you just click on here and it will show you, well, you can say the language that you're speaking, and also you can change the microphone setting there. And then you can enable auto punctuation, so it's actually off, but you'll notice that it did actually put Microsoft and Word in capital letters automatically for me, and I've never used filter sensitive phrases, so maybe I need to check that out for another video. The microphone used when dictating is very, very important. You can drastically improve the quality of the dictation by just spending a small amount on a microphone. So maybe £20 or £30 would be enough to really improve the quality of the dictation. And obviously students need to speak clearly in order to have the dictation work out exactly what is being said. If you don't use Microsoft Word, then there are lots of other free dictation products that are very good. But if you use dictation a lot, it is worthwhile investing in a paid solution. But if you're only going to use it now and again, the free solutions are excellent.